Now we will start solving the questions on probability. The first question before us is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So in this question, it is given that a batswoman is playing cricket and she has played 30 balls. Out of the 30 balls she played, she hit the boundary 6 times. So the total number of balls played is equal to 30. Now it is also given in this question that she hit boundary 6 times. So we will write number of times she hit boundary. It is given 6. So we have to find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So here we will write, so number of times she did not hit boundary. It is 30 minus 6 because 30 are the total number of balls she played, and out of the 30 she has hit the boundary in 6 times. So the number of times she did not hit boundary is 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. That is, when she played 24 balls, she did not hit boundary. So probability she did not hit a boundary is equal to, it is equal to number of times she did not hit the boundary divided by total number of balls played. She did not hit boundary divided by total number of balls played is equal to 24. This is 24 and the total number of balls are 30. So here each of this item will be divided by 6 and the answer will come 4 over 5. This is the answer. Now the next question before us is, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. These are the outcomes when the coins are being tossed. 3 heads have occurred on 23 times, 2 heads occurred on 72 times, and only 1 head occurred on 77 occasions, and there was no head on 28 occasions. If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of two heads coming up. So what is the total number of times the coins have been tossed? We will write total number of times the coins tossed is 200. So we have to find out the probability of two heads coming up. So we find from the question that on 72 occasions there have been two heads. So number of times two heads coming up, 72, that is out of 200 times the coins were tossed, we found that on 72 times there were two heads. So now we have to find the probability. So the probability of two heads coming up is equal to number of times two heads come up, that is the number of times the two heads were found, it is to be divided by the total number of tosses or total number of times the coins were tossed. Number of times the heads, two heads were come up, these are 72, these are to be divided by 200. If we divide it by 2, it comes 36 over 100. If we again divide it by 2, it comes 18 over 50. If we again divide it by 2, it comes 9 by 25. Now this is the answer, 9 over 25. This is the probability of two heads coming up when the three coins are tossed simultaneously. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.